Peter is a businessman. He was worried about his business. He was thinking about its growth day and night. One evening, after a long day at work, he searched the web for some help. Next day morning, he received a call. Our creative team then visited him. We helped and launched him a new campaign. Our campaign made him a business star. A day by day, new clients come. Now his business is growing fast. We keep showing him a leading light. A light made his business bright. Now Peter is happy with his business life. His wife is having now happy life. Are you worried about your business life and wish you could be like Peter's life? Then visit us today for more information. We intelligently help your business soar to the top and stay there.
Bim, bim, bim.